Welcome to our Cactus Corner. Today, we are diving into the world of Mammillaria bakeri, a fascinating and resilient cactus that is sure to captivate any plant enthusiast. This particular cactus is 2 years old and currently in full bloom, showcasing its beautiful flowers. Mammillaria bakeri, also known as Bacchus pincushion cactus, is native to the arid regions of central Mexico. It thrives in rocky terrains and desert landscapes, where it has adapted to withstand harsh conditions. The cactus gets its name from George Barker, a prominent British cactus collector from the 19th century. Taking care of a Mammillaria bakeri is relatively simple, making it a perfect choice for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. Like most cacti, it prefers a well-draining soil mix and requires minimal watering. During the growing season, which is typically from spring to early autumn, water your cactus thoroughly once the soil has completely dried out. In the winter months, reduce watering to once a month or even less, as the cactus goes into a dormant phase. Light is another crucial factor for the healthy growth of Mammillaria bakeri. This cactus thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Place it near a south-facing window where it can receive ample light without being exposed to the intense midday sun, which can scorch its delicate tissues. Feeding your cactus can encourage better growth and flowering. Use a balanced, diluted cactus fertilizer once a month during the growing season. I have used NPK 19-19-19. Avoid fertilizing in winter, as the plant is not actively growing. When it comes to purchasing a Mammillaria bakeri, you can find them at local nurseries, garden centers, or online plant shops. The price for a healthy, well-established cactus can range from 50 to 150 rupees, depending on its size and condition. It's always a good idea to inspect the plant for any signs of pests or disease before making a purchase. Propagating Mammillaria bakeri is an exciting way to expand your cactus collection. The most common method is through offsets or pups, which are small offshoots that grow at the base of the parent plant. Gently remove these pups with a clean, sharp knife, ensuring they have a few roots attached. Allow them to dry for a few days before planting them in a well-draining cactus mix. Another method is by using seeds. Collect seeds from the cactus flowers once they have matured, and sow them in a sandy, well-draining soil mix. Keep the soil lightly moist and place the container in a warm, bright location. Germination can take a few weeks to a few months, so patience is key. Mammillaria bakeri is a delightful addition to any cactus collection, offering not only stunning blooms but also a glimpse into the incredible adaptability of desert plants. With proper care, your cactus can thrive and flower year after year, bringing a touch of the Mexican desert into your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cactus care tips and plant stories. Happy growing!